Welcome to the end of the world. We are located at the westernmost point of Madeira Island, at the Ponta do Pargo Lighthouse. This is where the might of the Atlantic meets sheer cliffs over 300 meters high. The lighthouse opened in 1922 and remains an important landmark for ships sailing from Europe to America. The ideal time to visit is an hour before sunset. Ponta do Pargo is considered the best spot on the island to see the sun set directly into the ocean. Visit in the spring, March, May to see endemic plants bloom, such as the pride of Madeira. Summer guarantees clear skies, but beware of the June gloom. Fog is common during this time. Main attraction, Lighthouse Museum. Established in 2001 in one of the lighthouse's service buildings, this museum centre is a must-see, especially for those interested in Portuguese maritime history. Admission is free. The exhibition includes a collection of photographs and drawings of all the lighthouses in the Madeira archipelago, historical documents and watchman's logbooks, a unique electric map panel at the entrance showing the location of the region's navigation lights. The 14-metre-tall tower stands on the cliff of Ponta da Vigia. Open weekdays 9:30 to 12:30 and 14 o'clock to 16:30. A visit to Ponta do Pargo is not limited to just the lighthouse tower. The area offers a rich variety of activities combining history and gastronomy. Within walking distance from the village centre is the Sítio de Pedregal Viewpoint, offering views of the Garganta Funda waterfall. The stream of water cascades from a height of approximately 200 metres into a narrow crevice in the cliff. This is one of the island's tallest waterfalls, but its activity varies greatly depending on the season. In summer, it can dry up completely, so the best views are guaranteed between November and March. Visit the OFIO tea house, located a short walk from the lighthouse and an important social and cultural landmark in the area. The establishment's name refers to the historic cable car that was once used to lift catches and goods from Grand Beach to the cliff top, OFIO. Tea House Casa de Chá OFIO. Be sure to try the scimitar fish with fried banana and the local poncha drink. The establishment offers panoramic views of the ocean and the lighthouse, making it the perfect place to wait for sunset in comfort. The average bill is around €23 per person. Best access by car. The drive from Funchal along the VE3 takes about 50 minutes. Free parking is available at the lighthouse. By bus, take route number 142. The ride is scenic but long, about 3 hours each way. Even though it's hot in Funchal, here at an altitude of 300 meters, the ocean breeze can be quite refreshing. Be sure to bring a windbreaker or jacket, especially if you plan to stay for sunset. And be careful near the cliff edges. Guardrails aren't always in place.